Hey, good afternoon guys. My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and thank you guys for tuning in this video. Here we have a wonderful 2020 Lexus NX300. I just wanted to do a quick video walk around and start it up for you guys. Now, this thing has 85,000 miles. When it comes to the maintenance record, it is the most perfect maintenance record you can find on Carfax. It has a great reliability score, which is not something you see often. It genuinely has to have all of the maintenance reported by the book. And this one has everything. So not only it's been on top of maintenance, but it looks great, it drives great. And as far as the cosmetic stuff goes, I can't really pinpoint anything that would turn you off on the car that needs to be pointed out, if that makes sense. Now, the video is going to be short at about 2 minutes. So if you guys have any additional questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out and I will be more than happy to assist you guys. Sorry, my stabilizer has a mind of its own. This one's one owner with 85,000 miles. Got a beautiful leather interior. We'll get to that in just a second. Now let's go and pop the power lift gate. Really good amount of storage space, and you can also move this divider, which definitely can be in the way sometimes. All right, let's see. Oops, sorry about that. Just wanted to show you guys the interior. Gorgeous. Now let's make our way to the front slowly. But here's the leather interior, really comfortable seating position. Beautiful design on the dashboard. You do have keyless entry on this vehicle as an option. All power windows, of course, power seat with a telescopic adjusting power steering. And you also do get power paddle shifters on this. Gorgeous. Only 85,000 miles. Let's go and get that. Folks, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any additional questions about this one, do not hesitate to reach out and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.